Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon balls. First, gather your ingredients, including 1 pound of cooked salmon, flaked, and half a cup of breadcrumbs. You will also need 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil for cooking. These simple ingredients come together for a delicious meal. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your flaked salmon, breadcrumbs, mayonnaise, egg, fresh dill, and lemon juice. Add the black pepper and gently mix everything together until it's just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Once everything is incorporated, form the mixture into small, uniform balls, roughly 1.5 inches in diameter. Place them on a plate, ready for the next step. It's time to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully add the salmon balls to the pan. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. For food safety, ensure their internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Serve these delicious salmon balls immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, like a zesty aioli. Here are a few tips to elevate your salmon balls. For a little heat, try adding a pinch of red pepper flakes to the mixture. If dill isn't your favorite, fresh parsley makes a wonderful substitute. You can also bake these instead of frying. Just pop them in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy experimenting with this versatile recipe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.